Energy god Elephant Man is back on the scene with a new dance song, Can't Stop Dancing. This time, it's not all fun, as the song is a social commentary on the difficulty faced by dancers due to the current lockdown of the entertainment industry.
Cause I don't understand how them fi hate we. When quarantine I drive we crazy. Lock up in a house about we ain't but we no care about no pop.
Elephant Man, who is credited for introducing Jamaican dancers to the international scene, says this is his way to show support.
Well, the lockdown, it affects the dancers them a lot, but you don't know, where there's life, there's hope. And you understand from dancing in your craft, and you don't know it in your heart and soul. You go dance in your kitchen, you go dance in your house. We're not going to really make that, take a toll upon the craft and upon the gift what God give you, because you don't know the thing already. Dancing, we still can go up our veranda and dance. We already see what the pandemic can do the world. So to me, it not really stop nothing. We may can go outside go party, but here we party in your house, and then there is hope because the place I go open up back somewhere, somehow, one day, and there gonna be song like this where you can dance to and full joy yourself. Seeing our culture spreading across Russia, Europe, Asia, Malaysia, all over. That's how powerful dancehall is and how dancing is. So, showing back the love and giving them the strength in my song and my video, it was a pleasure. You understand?
Can't Stop Dancing, released by Energy God Productions, and Advance Records, is available across all platforms. Now, still on the dancing, Lolly's viral dance sensation Dirt Bounce is currently number 11 trending after 1 week.
Dirt, everybody get your bounce, watch ya. Dirt, everybody get your bounce, watch ya. Dirt, everybody get your bounce, hey. Dirt.
The infectious dance move, without any in the streets promotion, still managed to break on the scene locally, much to the delight of the artist. Lolly.
Yes, man, I am very surprised, especially during this COVID time where a lot of promotion can't really be done on a song or even on a dance. So I think it's just the natural vibes of the song and the creativity of the song and the goofiness of the song. That's why it's so popular, you get me?
Lolly is known for his breakthrough track, What's on Sale, What's on Sale? And you can catch the Dirt Bounce and other dances this weekend as Fame Frequency presents the official summer kickoff party. I'm Daedron reporting for your weekend edition of E-Prime. Have a good one.